This is the rechargeable grill light. Actually, it's a double light. It's got a flashlight in the front. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safe, nice packaging. Inside the box, you're gonna get the light. It is IPX5 waterproof, which is pretty good coverage. You're gonna get the bracket. This section is metal, the rest of it is plastic. You're gonna get the light mount, which mounts onto the bracket, and I'll show you that. You're gonna get a USB charging cable because this is a rechargeable device, and you charge it right here underneath of this silicone cover. Type-C charging cable. You're gonna get the instructions, but it's pretty easy to use. And you're gonna get an Allen wrench to tighten down the hinges on the bracket when you get it into the place that you want and to make adjustments. According to the company, this bracket will fit onto a variety of grills with round, square, oval, or dome handles. They say it's good for most griddle and grill brands. I, of course, don't have all these models here, but I'll show you the bracket and how it's made, and I'll put it over top of some things that I have here to show you what kind of room you have and what kind of play you have. You can see this is kind of a thread simulation here, and you put the screw over top of it and you lock it down and it pulls it like threads. The light's made from an aluminum alloy. There is a magnetic base on here, which is kind of cool. So you can attach it to metal surfaces. Actually has some heft to it. It feels well built. It's a little over 5 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide, and about 1 inch tall. The light covers appear to be plastic. Like I said before, some parts of the bracket are too. There are no heat ratings that I saw, so I'm going to make sure to keep this away from flame or direct heat. And I'll probably store it inside as well, but that's just me. So the bracket is super easy to put together. You take the light bracket part, snap it into place, screw it together, and you're ready to install it onto a handle. I'll show you some video of the light at nighttime on my grill. But when I went to demo this, the handle came off of my Weber grill. This is one of those Weber charcoal grills, but I can show you how it goes on here at least. And I'll show you some other stuff too. So you can take that off. Actually, with this, the way this is now, you can actually just slide this over here. And you can see how it fits on like this. You know, you're holding the handle on the grill, and as you pull the handle, the grill thing up, you're gonna want the light about right there. You just attach it onto your handle, tighten it down, and that's not going anywhere. There's a little gap there, but that's okay because that's the fit oval stuff. Once you get that in place, you just snap the light on and you're good to go. So I've got it on here. You can see that you can rotate this 360 degrees. You've got all kinds of different options for setting this any way you want. I mean, here's just the typical round handle, about 3/4 of an inch right there. Fits on there with plenty of room to spare. You can see the lights just hanging in there really good. No worries at all about it popping out. This is 1.25 inches. You can see that it goes over top of there, no problem. I could crank it down, but no need. Here's an oval shaped type handle, and this is gonna be perfect for this. Let's see what we got here. 1.5 inches. Obviously that's just gonna fit on there just fine. Look at that. Perfect for that. Just out of curiosity, let's see how far back we can get this. Looks like you can get about 2 inches. So this is a chip on board LED light. You can use it as a grill light, obviously, and it can also be used as a flashlight. And this flashlight's actually pretty powerful. You'll see in the video, I've got it shooting into trees about 40 foot from my house, 50 foot, and it lights them up pretty good. I was surprised. You can see in my nighttime video with the grill light, they try to create a flood pattern so you get a good coverage over the cooking area. This is just a push button on and off that cycles through 2 different levels of brightness, and on the flashlight it cycles through the 2 different levels of brightness and then goes into a flashing light that has a strobe on it. And the magnet's actually pretty powerful too. I stuck it on the side of my AC unit and shot the light out toward my grill, and it worked pretty good. But there you go, something like this would be great as a backyard barbecue light, grill light, great for camping, maybe throw it in your RV. You can use it for pretty much anything you can attach this bracket to be honest. All kinds of stuff, very nice.